Internet of Things, smart homes. What are these buzzwords and how do you benefit from it? IoT is expected to usher in automation in all industries. Market reports predict that markets for IoT are expected to explode both in terms of revenue and the job market. Is IoT for everybody? IoT opens up various job opportunities for electronic, embedded, network, web, and test engineers. Qantom's workshop, Getting Started with the Internet of Things, is a great place for you to start your IoT journey. Why should you choose Qantom? We are a company that has delivered over 150 man-years of IT services in a niche domain. We are the proud creators of several unique products. ThingsPing, our new IoT venture, is the result of all these years of expertise. We packed all our experience and created a training workshop that addresses many issues found in typical workshops. Our workshops are designed to make you industry-ready and covers all the important segments of IoT. The star highlight of our workshop is the ThingsPing Trainer, Qantom's innovative creation that helps you understand IoT better. Using this gadget, you will be able to start working on key components of IoT even if you have no knowledge of electronics. Visit our website www.thingsping.in to find out more about our training programs and schedules. See you soon in our workshop.